Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. It's time for another STEM project. Now, this project is called Glowing Confetti Poppers. Of course you can buy them, but it's more fun when you make them, alright? So this is a glowing confetti popper. So we're going to make it glow in the dark. And how do we do that? Well, first you start with, we all know what this is. So, AKA a craft roll or toilet paper roll. So, now don't empty the toilet paper to do this, right? So, once you're finished and the contents have been used, and all that's left is the roll, that's what you need, okay? So, we need one of those. Now, we need some glow in the dark paint, okay? Now, I actually going to point out a word to you: phosphorescent. Phosphorescent, okay? You want to make sure whatever paint that you get has that word on it. Very, very important, okay? So that makes it glow in the dark without getting something called a black light. You just want it to glow in the dark, and I'll show you how to do that, okay? Now, we got the paint. You also need a balloon, okay? Glow in the dark bracelet. We all know what these look like. And also have the attachment with it, which is that little plastic piece. You also need tape, and if you can find one, a rubber band, okay? Also confetti. So we have confetti right here. Now I'm going to set this here. Let's get started. And as always, this and any other project, if you make it, feel free to send us a picture. We want to know what you're doing. Please send us a picture. Email it to yp@plfdpl.info. Okay? So, what are we going to do first? First, we start with painting the roll. Now, I had to do this ahead of time because it'll take a while for the paint to be charged. Okay? So, I'll explain that. Now, remember that big word, phosphorescent, right there on the bottle. Now, all paints are created equal, meaning that some work better than others. Now, this one is pretty good, and what you want to do is just paint it. So once you finish painting it, I use the color green. This is all over green. Now, once you've finished, the magic is in putting it in light, okay? So whether you have a lamp or a flashlight, or take it out and put it in a under the sun, you can do that as well. But the most important thing is once you're finished, you want to put it in the light, which sounds strange because you want it to glow in the dark, but it must be in light first for that to happen, okay? So once you finish painting it, it's all good. Put it in the light, and that's what this is. We have two flashlights right here, so it's charging it. Now, once we finish that, I'm going to put this here and remove this. You're going to take your balloon, okay, and we're going to use our scissors to cut right across here, okay, because you want to fit that over the tube. Now, as always, if you need help, please feel free, or it is necessary to ask permission. Please get it from a parent. Please get assistance or permission from your older sibling, guardian, caretaker, okay? Because while, once again, we love that you love science, we care about your safety even more, okay? So, once we've cut our balloon, you have it like this. So now this is open. So we're going to take our tube and we're just going to put this right on the tube. So stretch it and put it right over that tube so it fits just like that. Okay? Also, next step is tape. So we're going to take tape and put it all around. Now, just like that. So what makes something glow in the dark? Does it glow? Is there light in the paint? No. It's something called phosphorus. Okay, remember that long word on the bottle? It says phosphorescent. Well, this is phosphorus. Phosphorus. Okay? Let's say it together. Phosphorus. Now, that is the substance that's found in paint or our little bracelets. And once, well, the bracelet, you just break it apart and it starts glowing. Okay? But for the paint, to activate the phosphorus, that's why we put it in a light. Okay? And once again, you do that with permissions or assistance from your parent, older sibling, you know, anybody that you usually ask for help. Okay? So that is the science pretty much behind the glow in the dark. Now, once you put everything together, you'll have something kind of like this. All right? And then, of course, you can pull it. But are we finished yet? You can be. You can put your confetti in and be done. But I'm just going to do an extra step. Now, you don't have to do this, but I thought, okay, well, maybe I'll take it an extra mile. I'm going to now add this element. So a glow-in-the-dark band. So I'm just going to take this and tape that together. Oops. My butterfingers. And you're going to put that right there. Okay, so I am going to just do that. I'm not going to do it real secure. Okay, so I'm just going to, but you are. All right, you don't want it to fall off. Now, once we bend it, we make our ring and we take our plastic holder just like that, put it on one end and we'll put it on the other end, and there you have it. Okay, so of course add more tape as you need it so it won't fall off. Now after that, that's when you put in your confetti. Alright, so we're going to put this in. Now, what I also did, if you want to be extra creative, I also took a piece of paper and just painted that too to add some glow in the dark for our confetti. So you can just cut that as well, you know, and add that to the confetti that you already had. And I'm just going to fill this up. We're going to just put that, pop that in. I'm going to put that in. And pretty much, that's it. Now you're ready to celebrate, okay? I'm going to put this one to the side. This is the one that we already finished. I'm going to turn off our flashlights. Make sure that is dark. So I'm going to put this here and let's see if it works. Oh, it's glowing in the dark, guys. So you see that. I'm going to pop on a little more light so that you can see. And I'm going to now dim it. There we are. So, I'm going to put in a few more pieces of confetti. And now we can do our countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Whoa, Happy New Year. Okay, Happy New Year. There we go. Happy New Year. Woo! Happy New Year. Woo! And there you have it, okay? So our popper worked. Now, before I did this, I also had one where it broke. I had to repaint it a couple of times, but it's all worth it. Once again, I hope that you enjoyed this glow-in-the-dark experiment or maker glow-in-the-dark make project. And I hope you make it too. Feel free to email us. Show us what you did. Show us how you celebrated and brought in the new year. And until we see each other again, guys, have a happy one, a great one, a glowing one. Take care. Bye for now. Okay, I think we're out. Woohoo! Oh, we're fresh out, but it's still glowing. Bye, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for coming in.